What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making a delicious chickpea tuna sandwich. This is one of those recipes that doesn't look as good as it tastes, but I pinky promise it's so freaking good. You're gonna need some canned chickpeas. I like to drain them and pat them dry with a paper towel to remove any of the moisture. Next, I'm adding some diced celery and some diced carrots. I always add like a ton of mayo because I freaking love mayo, or anything that's not the best for you really. I'm all about it. Then I'm smushing it all down with the smasher, making sure everything is coated with mayo, and then I add some more. You don't have to use this much mayo, but if you love yourself, you will. Finally, I'm adding some pepper and salt to taste and plopping a ton of it between two toasted pieces of bread. So yummy and very quick and easy. You guys are gonna love this so much. Alright y'all, you know the drill. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button to convince me to film more regularly and be more consistent.